why all of our technicians carry their personal lockout tagout system is so that they can avoid inadvertent startup of machinery prior to or while they're working on that piece of equipment. The process behind it is to make sure that the power source of the piece of equipment is totally isolated and no one is able to plug in or re-engage or energise the power source. To give a good example, we have a forklift truck here which is powered by a battery cell source. To isolate the machine prior to engaging in work, we will obviously conduct a thorough risk assessment on the machine. We will lay spill pads down to minimise any chance of the technician slipping or tripping on the oil that's been ejected from the failed component. Prior to removing any hose, we obviously have to isolate. First of all, we remove the plug from the power source. We then get our cable lockout out of our bag. That consists of a 1.8 metre cable, which is 0.8 millimetres thick, along with our padlock and our danger do not use tag. We then feed the cable through the plug around a solid base situated on the machine. This could be found anywhere as long as it's within the 1.8 metre distance. We'll loop the two together, push the cable back through the locking system, and then we'll attach our padlock. This now means that the machine is totally isolated. Nobody can reactivate that machine or re-energise it without removing the padlock, which has a unique combination lock only known to the Pirtek technician. The other device we can use is the CLASP. This is typically used on isolation of electrical cabinets. On this occasion, we're going to again remove the battery plug. We're going to clasp lock it to the side of the machinery. Any part of the body of the machinery will do, as long as, again, we attach the danger, do not use tag, and also the combination lock padlock. This again is totally locked out of the machine, so there's no chance of inadvertent startup while the technician's working on the machine. When we've completed our repair, so we've fitted a new hose or component, we will do a simple cleanup. This involves us removing any oil spill pads that we have placed down to contain the oil spill that's been created by the failure on the machine. We remove all contaminated spill products, place them into a contamination bag and seal the bag. We will also complete a consignment note, which we will then hand over to the customer. This ensures the customer that we are removing his hazardous waste and are disposing of it in the correct manner. Once we have done this and the area is clean and free from slip, strips and falls, we can then remove our cable or clasp lockout device, and then we can re-energise the machine. The machine can then be put back in service and can continue on with its work.